I used to dream about being a millionaire, and I would ask myself over and over again, how could I get rich? How could I have enough money to live exactly as I wanted, traveling the world, doing only what I love, rather than what I have to do to get by? If you have the same dream, I could show you how to make your millionaire dreams come true. So if you want to change your life, subscribe to my channel, ENTP Life, where I show you exactly how I achieved multi-millionaire status by investing in real estate and having my own business that averaged $1 million a month and employed over 400 people in 2019. I've been there, feeling stuck and unhappy with where I was in life. I reversed all of that by taking action, and with time, I also figured out why people get stuck. It's fear of the unknown, fear of failure, and a lack of exposure to people who could show you how to achieve your goals. On my channel, I share it all. I share all that I know when it comes to real estate and business. I show you how to invest in your first property, how to start an Airbnb business, how to flip real estate, and even have a series on how to start a home healthcare company. And if you're wondering where it is that I made that $1 million a month, that was the company that did it. By teaching and sharing my success, even my failures, I help you reduce that fear of the unknown and expose you to information that is otherwise out of your reach. You don't need to be born rich, and you don't have to be a genius. You only have to be committed to learning and taking action and reviewing what it is that is working for you, and you have to maximize on that thing. So if you're ready to take action and start moving in the right direction of achieving your financial goals so that you can live the life you've always wanted, subscribe to ENTP Life, and let's take this journey to your financial independence together.